If you're considering upgrading your home in Sumter, window replacement is an excellent investment. Whether your windows are outdated, damaged, or simply no longer serve your needs, replacing them can have a significant impact on the comfort, energy efficiency, and aesthetic appeal of your home. Here are the top 5 benefits of window replacement that every homeowner in Sumter should consider. Enhanced energy efficiency. One of the most immediate benefits of replacing old windows is the improvement in energy efficiency. Older windows, especially single-pane windows, allow drafts, moisture, and air leakage that can significantly increase your heating and cooling bills. In Sumter's warm climate, air conditioning is often running, and outdated windows make it harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Modern windows, especially double or triple pane options with energy-efficient coatings, provide better insulation and reduce the amount of heat transfer between your home's interior and the outside environment. By upgrading your windows, you can keep your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter, thus lowering your monthly utility bills and reducing your carbon footprint. Improved curb appeal. Windows are a key part of your home's exterior, and outdated or damaged windows can detract from its overall appearance. By replacing your windows, you instantly boost the curb appeal of your property. New windows come in various styles, materials, and finishes, allowing you to choose the perfect look to complement your home's architectural style, whether it's a traditional Southern design or something more modern. This improvement in aesthetics isn't just about appearances, it can also increase your home's value. Potential buyers are likely to be attracted to a home with updated windows because it suggests that the property has been well maintained and is energy efficient. If you plan to sell in the future, window replacement is one home improvement project that can provide a substantial return on investment. Increased comfort and noise reduction. In Sumter, the weather can range from hot and humid to cool and breezy, which means your windows play a crucial role in keeping your home comfortable year-round. New windows offer better insulation, which means you can enjoy more consistent temperatures inside. This is especially important if your current windows allow heat to escape or cold air to enter, causing you to constantly adjust your thermostat. Additionally, newer windows can significantly reduce noise from the outside. If you live in a busy neighborhood or near a noisy street, window replacement can create a quieter, more peaceful living environment. Many modern windows come with soundproofing technology, which can block out unwanted noise and allow you to enjoy your home in peace, whether you're relaxing with family or working from home. Increased home security. Old, worn-out windows may compromise the safety of your home. Over time, window frames can become warped, locks can fail, and glass can weaken, making it easier for intruders to break in. Modern windows are designed with enhanced security features, such as reinforced frames, secure locks, and impact-resistant glass, providing greater protection for your home and family. Whether you're concerned about break-ins or just want to feel more secure, window replacement is an effective way to increase the safety of your home. When you invest in newer, more secure windows, you gain peace of mind knowing your home is better protected. reduced maintenance and better durability. Maintaining old windows can be time-consuming and costly. Older windows often require frequent repairs, such as replacing weather stripping or fixing broken seals. Additionally, the materials used in older windows, like wood, may deteriorate over time due to exposure to the elements. Modern windows are designed to be low maintenance and highly durable, often made with materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or composite frames that resist rotting, fading, and warping. New windows are built to last longer and require minimal upkeep, which saves you time and money in the long run. With less maintenance needed, you can focus on other important aspects of homeownership while enjoying the peace of mind that your windows are built to withstand the test of time. Conclusion. Window replacement offers many benefits to homeowners in Sumter. From enhancing energy efficiency and improving curb appeal to increasing comfort, security, and reducing maintenance, the advantages are clear. Whether you're looking to save on utility bills, increase your home's value, or simply make your living space more enjoyable, new windows are a smart investment. If you're ready to upgrade, now is the perfect time to explore the options available and see how window replacement can enhance your home's comfort, aesthetics, and overall performance.